Yesterday I lost a very special thing that learned a lesson. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will practice English with a past tense, and that will be story based. I will practice English with yesterday activity. Okay. Yesterday I went to market to buy some grocery, and I went to market with my favorite bottle. I brought some grocery and came back to my home. After coming home, I started checking my bag, but unfortunately, I lost my water bottle. That water bottle was very favorite for me. That's why I went back to the market and I asked the shopkeeper about my water bottle. He smiled and looked at my bottle and said, "That is your bottle." And that bottle was filled with water. And I felt so happy and I thanked to him and I came back to my home. That's all for today videos. Thank you so much, and if you like this video, please like and share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.